Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about decision or conditional statements. So as you can see here, decision or conditional statements are a type of control statement and are frequently referred to as if or if then else statements, as can be seen in these examples. For example, if you want to actually use an if statement in your Java code, you just need to type in if plus the condition in between the parentheses and then use an opening curly brace followed by a closing curly brace, and then put your statements in between those curly braces. Okay, and if you want to actually use an if then else statement, again you just need to type in if plus the condition in between the parentheses, and then use an opening curly brace followed by a closing curly brace, and then put your statements in between those curly braces. And at the end of your if statement, you just need to type in else, and then again you need to actually use an opening curly brace followed by a closing curly brace, and then put your else statements in between those curly braces. So let me give you an example. In the following example, a variable name is defined and the value is assigned to it. Okay, a conditional statement then determines which message should be displayed. If condition evaluates to true, then the statements will be executed. If condition evaluates to false, then the else statements will be executed if any are given. Okay, as you can see here, I am declaring and initializing a variable here. The data type of my variable is a string. The name of my variable is name. Okay, and the value that I am assigning to this variable is John. Okay, so as you can see, I am using an if then else statement here. So first I am typing if, and then I am actually putting my condition in between the parentheses. So if name is equal to John, okay, which it is, this actually this condition evaluates to true because name is equal to John. So in between the curly braces, as you can see, it is written John should exercise regularly. And then again I am using an else statement here. Else, consult with your doctor. Okay, this else means that if name is not actually is everything but John, okay, everything else but John, then consult with your doctor. But because the name is equal to John, the first if statement actually the first condition evaluates to true, and then John should exercise regularly, then execute. Okay, so later in the course you will be more familiar with these concepts. This is just an introduction to the if statements. So thanks for watching, and in the next tutorial I'm going to talk about loops. So I'll see you in the next tutorial.